Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a one product Shopify store. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down right here, and basically if you want to build your product on Shopify store, first figure out what you want to sell and how you will sell it. And you can't build a one product shop without your product. So first you need to figure out what you want to sell, then plan your brand strategy. 3, build your store, and then lastly start marketing. So after you figure out which item you want to buy or which product, then you need to do all of your research to basically sell your product, and make sure that your product must outshine the alternatives. And if you only offer one thing, it should outshine your competitors. Your brand isn't selling variety, so it needs to sell quality. So aim for something with healthy margins. That single product should be able to sustain your business, so you don't want to something with the low margins. Imagine only selling black pens or only selling colorful paper clips, and then create something unique. If you create a unique product as a Crocs did with their shoes, you widen the moat between your single product and copycats. This also increases your competitive advantage. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.